The adventures that we have shared together have been some of the best moments of my life, including our most recent adventure of becoming parents. I cannot think of anyone else I would want to raise a family and spend the rest of my life with.
As I stand here in front of you today, committing myself to you as your wife, your life partner, your soulmate, and your best friend, I also promise you these things. I promise to love you until we are ghosts. I will love you through sickness, mental health trials, hard times, and loss. For the first time, from the birds
It ain't a one-day ride, it's up through the mountains where the coyotes cry, down through the canyon where the wild things hide, and the cottonwoods fall. I want to hold you close, but never hold you back, and I'll be the banks for your river. Home was a dream, one that I'd never seen till you came along.
I promise to continue to thank God for putting you in my life 23 years ago and for bringing us back together all these years later. I promise to pray for you and with you as we build a life centered around the gratitude to God.
Staring down the face of give and take.
Today I promise to always put you and our family first and to prioritize you and our family. I promise to always honor you and respect you. I promise to love you forever and even after the grave. I promise to take care of you when you are sick and to be your rock when you feel unsteady. I promise to be financially responsible and to not buy things without first discussing with you.
I know that no matter what, we will be better together and we will make it through. We always do. So I always do too. I love you.
I found something.
And today I promise to always give every day my best and finest effort of being your husband.
Allie, do you come here freely and without reservation, ready to commit your life to Ben?
I do.
Ben, do you come here freely and without reservation, ready to commit your life to Allie?
I do.
By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
I want to say, Allie, you're just beautiful, girl. What a lovely bride. I thank you for inviting us into your family, for being a part of our family now, and nothing but the best to you. I can see the love, the joy that you have brought into Ben's life, and I thank you for that. Benji, through the years, through growing together, watching you to become the man that you are. Not to say that there weren't some gray hairs created along the way. Just a few. But you've been a blessing. I wish you nothing but the best. To you, to Allie, to Victor. From hearing things today that have been said for you, that you've shared with one another, you have built a great foundation, and you can only grow from that.
As Allie's father, I've had the privilege of watching her grow into a remarkable woman that she is today, and I couldn't be more proud of her or happier to welcome Ben into our family. Allie, my darling daughter, you've always been a source of joy and inspiration in my life. Your kindness, determination, and zest for life are qualities that have not only made me proud, but have also touched the hearts of everyone you meet and everyone around you. Ben, I will say, you are my son in every sense of the word. You are a remarkable man, and it's evident that you bring out the best in Allie and in the rest of our family as well. You make us all better. Your love and support for her and for all of us, and the way you've embraced us as your family, are truly heartwarming, and I have no doubt that you'll continue to be her anchor and her rock